So it's Wednesday, this is what we're on with. We're sharing a plot. We're doing one side, Dean's doing other. So I'm just talking to YouTube. Yeah, we're doing that side. Fucking stabiliser set up, big corners. It's a big gable that, it's 40 odd brick. So yeah, have to get some 4-inch. I'll work through, I think it's give rain at 1 o'clock, so right. See you in a bit. Well, that's what we got done yesterday, all up. And I was running remainder of this, remainder of 12 course from out front. Hey guys, a little bit of an intermission here. I haven't really got much footage this week at all. I didn't get any more of me doing that joist lift. I finished that on Tuesday. And then you've just seen a little bit, obviously, of what I've done on that other plot that we sort of helped turn the lad out with. We just did a big gable, brick so far. I built a bit of block at the front. So next bit of footage you're going to probably see is going to be me building the front with an internal setup. I think I've shown it a few times over the time on YouTube. It's dead easy doing the internals. And yeah, it's been a bit shit this week. You know, it's been a bit of a shit when you're not on your own work, and you know, me and Dean just been chilling out, having a laugh and that. So not been really filming. But yeah, I'm going to probably film a bit more next week, so just bear with me for a couple of weeks. You know, it's nice to have a bit of a break as well. I don't always feel like fucking yabbering on into the camera and stuff, so yeah. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next clip. I'm going to try to get a bit of headcam building that front. That's the main goal for tomorrow. But yeah, nice having you know, some help full time. Mel's going to be back next week, so we're going to be back to, you know, 1 and 2 improvers now. So Dean's been on the trial every day, so he's been putting some bricks in, so we're just going to keep improving on that. So yeah, alright guys, see you in the next clip. Right, it's Friday, we're doing this front. Right, here we go. Right, I've got a corner block with a bit cut off, so your lines can nicely meet, a couple of mil above each other. And then obviously run this round. This is a block work I built yesterday, obviously along with that gable. And then got a T-clamp, obviously F-clamp stabiliser, same there. And then what we're doing is we're going to run it to this lad's profile. He built this yesterday. Nice big corner. And we're just going to tail this round a bit just to get this front up, leave him all the meat. Because it's don't want to nick the longest straight on his plot. So yeah, right. See you in the next clip.
But mankind won't be destroyed. The fact that you and I are working here today is evidence rest of the band.
So it's 12:30, off for snap now. Yeah, probably do a bit of block work after this, what we got done. So that's it, that's probably the easiest front I've built so far. And we're going to do a few courses of block after snap. 3 course on there, back that up. And yeah, put formers in after, whenever we get back on this one. Left lad is Gable to build. But yeah, right, see you in a bit. I thought I'll fucking just run this little straight in instead. It's about 2 o'clock now. I reckon I'll have it up in an hour. I'll see what time it is when I've done. Right, see you in a minute. There it is, an hour later, up. Hey guys, so that's the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed, hope you stuck around. Thanks a lot for your time, as always. I know there's only been 1 video this week, but I'm going to try to get back to my regular 3 videos a week within the next month, hopefully. Just been a bit busy with stuff, and it's hard to always film, you know, when you just, you know, sometimes you're in it to film, you know, you just want to crack on with some work and get your head down. So I've just been putting, figuring out the best way to get, you know, Mel and Dean on the trowel again, as we've resumed the gang. The gang is back. So we might see Mel next week, we might not, we'll see. But yeah, it's been a good week. Hope everyone else has had a good week as well. And I'll see you guys next week with another video. Have a good weekend.